isang para sa kanilang lahat. Tawagin po natin sila sa pangalan. Ay, nakasali pa, hindi kita rin na mga crocodiles. Alright, inside, nasunod pa rin si crocodile. Pinagawa pa rin yung mga crocodiles. Ganun lang pakain namin sa kanila. Okay, just simple as that. Now this time, we need some volunteers.
Ay, yikes! Oh my God!
Alright, inside that is
My God! That's crazy!
Ganyan po talaga sila. Okay, kung may nakikita sila, good item, nasa harapan nila.
Crazy!
They can swim up to 18 miles per hour in just a surfers, while in the land area, they can run as fast as 14 kilometers per hour in just a short time. Kaya kung hinahabol kayo ng crocodile, huwag kayong matakot. Takbo lang kayo ng takbo. Sigurado ako hindi kayo maabutan ng crocodile. Alright? Okay, palakpakan pa naman natin si Crocodile Alan. Thank you so much. At least nakita po nila how we see crocodile. So yan, at tayo po tayo. Please try together on a crocodile cage with a president for crocodile dancing and tightrope walking. Crocodile cage.
Crazy.